What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be refactoring Pong. As I stated just last Friday, we will be beginning the refactoring process on all of our games. And so there aren't going to be any new original games, but we're just going to kind of go back and familiarize ourselves with what we actually have done and go back and re-explain everything and document this a bit better than it already is. So, we have the game, and as you can see, we can move and everything. It's nice. It's been a while. It's been 5 weeks, so I am just going to re-look at everything. So, P1 and P2. So what are these? P1, okay. So we're just setting the height of them. Okay. No. We're setting the position. Here, let's name these properly. That's what we need to do. Can I refactor? Huh. Hey. Hang on. Atom refactor. Can I refactor? Do I have to... JS refactor? Snap. I gotta use... Okay. Well, I guess we can install it real quick. Let's do it real quick. Okay. JS refactor. Let's see if this... Oh, wait. No. JS refactor. Let's see. Okay, refactoring for JavaScript. Let's try that. This is just me using Atom. I thought Atom had a built-in refactoring option, but it doesn't seem so. You see, okay, that should have, man. It's sad that it didn't hit it. You can install and activate refactor package using the reference pane. Okay, can I now refactor? Hang on. Can I Control Shift T this? It's this. What do I do though? Refactor. Main package. Oh, okay. No, did it not? Okay, Control Shift F5. Why did it decide to do that? You can install and activate refactor package using the reference pane. I'm guessing the reference pane is here? No. Okay, packages. Fairly certain it should be here. Tab escaped here. Okay. So that's good. Adds a lot of time. You know what I think I can do? Why am I having such a struggle right now? Why is Flappy Bird updated? Oh, I accidentally moved this, didn't I? Didn't mean to do that. Okay. Wow, now I'm really confused. Sheesh, this is going downhill quick. Okay. Let's quickly just kind of... I don't know. I don't think we're going to use this, really. I'm going to disable it for now because I think I know a better way of actually refactoring. Let me zoom in. And if I do Control D, it will select every single time that pops up. So, if we come back and we say player 1 position. Oh, didn't read that. There we go. I think that's good. Can I do like Control Alt D, or do I? I'm pressing Control D, by the way. There. Player 2 position. So now, here, okay. So now we're just going to be saying like, okay, player 1 velocity. There, oh, didn't mean that. There we go. Now if we do player 2 velocity. Nope, didn't mean to that. I completely forgot. player 2 velocity. It's a little bit more verbose. Okay, now we have their speed. Fairly certain this is their speed. Player 1 speed. Oop. There. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Player 1 speed. No. It's not score. It's actually... I mean, it's not speed. It's actually score. Player 1 score. Now, if I go here, now we need to do the player 2 score. So we have ball and ball velocity. There we go. Oh, nope. There we go. Cool. So that should be good. Let's start documenting exactly what we're doing. If we come here and we say we set the position, initialize position, say player position, to mid screen. Okay, so now that's what we're doing in that line. We're setting them equal to the middle of the screen on the y-axis, and then we're saying initialize velocities. That's kind of a given. Initialize scores. That's a given also. Initialize ball in the middle, and what we do is give the ball a random trajectory. That's what we're doing. And then here, okay, since we're saying create vector and we're saying between -1 and 1 and -1 and 1, it means it might be anywhere. It might go this way or this way or this way or this way, but it's not always the same speed. And so we say we need to set the magnitude. Set the speed to 3. Okay, and these are good. Now we have draw the background. We draw the players. That's pretty self-explanatory. We draw the ball, which is also self-explanatory. Scoreboard, we're good. Handle paddles and handle ball. So within handle ball, this does the top and bottom collisions. Paddle collisions, out of bounds. Okay, so if we say reverse velocity, so there, reverse y velocity, that's all I really need to say. And then paddle collisions, if ball x is less than 30, then we need to check. Okay, so right here we have player 2 score. Okay, here. So, okay. Paddle collisions. Left paddle. And then this one is right paddle. So this is checking for the right paddle. Here's the out of bounds. And we have also... Oh wait, why is this doing that? This isn't the right paddle. This is... What is this? How you doing, Vivid Focus? How you doing? I'm pretty good refactoring, you know? So we will say if it's less than 0, So what's up with this. Oh, okay. So this is, okay, so if it's less than 30, that's the left paddle. Okay. So, actually, I think we need to say left side. We say ball.y is greater than player 1 position, and it's bigger than the width. So that's just the what's it called? Okay, so if this opens here and it shuts there, how does this work then? Oh, wow, okay. Check collision on left paddle. I had it backward. Check collision on right paddle. Okay. I'm not a game dev. I'm just kind of doing the coolness, I guess. I'm just developing games currently, but I'm not a game dev. So we have, as long as the velocity is greater than 0, we multiply it by -1. Okay. Or we multiply the x. So why do we have this check? I don't think we need this check. Because if it's, oh, okay. Don't prevent the ball from getting stuck inside paddle. So that's how that's working. We're just preventing it from being stuck at that point. Okay. So we're good. What program? I'm using Atom.io. It's a nice IDE. I've been enjoying it. Okay, we have the ball, the reset. Okay, let's look and handle paddles. So we have, this is actually pretty well documented, not gonna lie. We move them up, we move them down. Player 2 controls move up, move down, we're good. Okay, this is change position. Here, let's put this as a nicer comment. Change position. There we go. Friction. I'm not gonna put those in quotes because it's the friction. Wasn't this a gaming channel? It used to be. It used to be a Minecraft channel specifically. But constrained paddles. Yep, that's good. What I'd like to do is change up the actual detection of the hits. So if we have, oh snap, there we go. Okay, so if we do something, ooh, whoa, ball V, oh. Why did that not change? Huh. Okay. Let's refresh. Cool. Oi. Okay. Cool. There isn't any Y any Y velocity. Sorry, I'm blanking. Is it going faster? I think it is going faster. That's good. That's a good sign. Okay. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh, snap. Ah, shucks. Okay. Well, anyways, we set the speed to 3. Now what we want to do, we kind of want to handle the ball a bit differently. We have the reverse velocities. If it's less than 30, left side. Okay. So then we need to check. Okay. Within range on the left side. Okay. So I'm gonna move this here real quick. I'm actually gonna move this here also. Cool. My apologies for hitting the microphone. Plus 100. I think we're good in this. X is less than 0. If it's greater than 0. So I guess it completely works like that. I guess there's no better way of creating this. Because if we didn't have this, then sometimes it would just jitter back and forth. And we wouldn't want that. So, let's see. Set the mag. Center. Set speed. Set to default speed. Let's make this a little bit, let's do, looks like the game is done. What is else? Okay, yeah, this is what we're doing. We're refactoring right now. It's making the code nicer and easier to read. So that's gonna be 3. Wherever we see set mag. Okay, so that's that. And we're just kind of separating out constants. If we do const paddle width equals 10, const paddle height equals 100, now we can replace the paddle width and okay, height, nice. Okay, so then we have okay, we're good. It's less than, this would be paddle width times 3. This will be paddle width. So the paddle width is 10. Okay. And that's because we draw them at, where is it? No. Okay, it's up here. When we draw times 2, and then width, okay, we're good, minus paddle width times 3. Same thing, except now we're using constants. So now, if we go down here, everything is fine so far. We haven't broken anything. So width minus paddle width times 3, paddle width, paddle height. Okay. Paddle height. And now what we do, this is good. paddle height, there. So now we've got things in extracted to some constants, which is always nice. Const ball radius equals 20. Okay, so let's see. Only really need it there. I think that's good. Yeah, okay, cool. Awesome. You've been trying to use Unity, or you've been using Unity trying to make a game, but it just doesn't seem to be working. Oh, it doesn't seem to be working, yeah. I don't know, I've never used Unity. I'm not a game developer, though, so I really wouldn't know. So if we do this, and we continue to go, what we could do is just make the paddles their own prototype. Just for better refactoring. Let's do that. New prototype, or not prototype, function paddle. Oop. Here we go. Okay. Paddle.js. So here, I'm just gonna say paddle. Should try and make a game. I don't know. I did make a game. It was a math game. I'll show you the math game real quick. Here we go. This is the math game. Let's do 5 problems, addition. Let's do within 0 to 10. Yeah, that's good. 5 plus 9, 14. 4. 7. 10. 10. Okay. As you can see, you can get your splits, you can get your accuracy, the answer you inputted, and the correct answer, along with the equation itself. It's right here if you'd like to play. Error, try again. Why can't I do that? Error, try again. I don't understand. Anyways, I'll put it in the description. There. If you'd like to play around with that for a little bit. But yeah, that's, let's see. Okay, so this dot velocity equals create vector 0, 0. Okay. This dot position equals create vector width over 2. No, it's not width over 2. It's Hey, you see, since we only have 2 players and they're kind of posted on Game Jolt. Okay. Game Jolt. I've never heard of that. Indie games for the love of it. Ah, fascinating. Interesting. Puzzle, I guess it would be puzzle? I guess it would be puzzle. I'm thinking. I could post all of mine on here. All of my JavaScript games I've made, but I don't think they're up to the standard. Like, look at this. Those look neat. Mine is just kind of, it's not a video game, it's just kind of a game, but motivational game? Oh. I remember that. But yeah, that's prototype. See, this makes me think that they coded this in JavaScript. Anyways, let's go back to refactoring. You say, okay, so it's gonna be really complicated it's not going to be super complicated, but then we'd have to pass in which player they are, and that kind of defeats the purpose of a... Well, I guess since the X is completely static, then we could continue with it. The X is static, so X, Y, let's just pass in an X and a Y, really. Well, no. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I guess trying to extrapolate it to a separate file is more work than it's worth because of since there's two players and they have to be aligned relative to the width of the screen, then you'd have to pass in their width, and yeah. But yeah, I've never heard of Game Jolt. Is that surprising? Okay, let's see. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. Tomorrow we will be refactoring. What's the next game? I've forgotten what the next game is. If I could go back to my channel. YouTube's not allowing me to go to my channel for some reason. Oh, did I get signed out or something? Oh gosh, what happened? Gonna have to type in my okay. Nah, wrong password, what? Goodness, I keep making typos. There we go, okay. Is having trouble. Don't ask me again. Okay, cool. So the tomorrow's game, I'm sorry, this is such an unprofessional episode of RAGAD, so I'm calling it now, but I did not get much sleep and I woke up really early. So tomorrow we will be refactoring the T-Rex game, the Google's offline game when you get when you go offline and Google needs you to play this T-Rex game. That's the game, essentially. But yeah, I have not heard of that game, the Joy of Creation Reborn. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. I will see you guys. Why did I just... Oh, Control-Shift-T works. That's hysterical. But yeah, that's about all. I'd say we did a pretty decent job at refactoring everything. We didn't do too much since it was simple. I should have done the... I could do the paddles, but it's not that much to keep up with since we only have a position and velocity. So I mean it's not, yeah, it's not like super imperative that we create objects out of them. Possibly if it gets more complex we'd have to create objects, but I think it's good right now. When we get to the games like Pac-Man and Tetris, that's when the... And, what is the Breakout? Yeah. Then we will be refactoring quite a lot. But yeah, that's about all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace.